Okay, what I'm showing here is we are now searching through the wiring on this motor driver board. And we notice that there are 3 sets of 2 pins which drive DC motors, like wheel motors or some other motors. One of them is in here in this crab grabber, and the other one, the other motor pin is here, and it goes to this Lego Technics DC motor. And we're discovering how this microbit talks to this board to address these 3 sets of pins, so that hopefully we can salvage this totem crab kit that you will see on previous videos. Now it also includes this sensor board, it's called, which has 4 LED lights, and you saw them light up in different colors. We can change the colors for those lights, turn them on and off. I don't know yet how to turn individual lights on and off, but there'll be a way to do that. There's a buzzer here. I don't know how to operate it, but there'll be a way to do that also. And then apparently these sides here are capacitive touch, and they also can be inputs. And we don't know how to do that yet, but we're working on that. At least now we have a way of addressing pins 13 and 14 and 15 and 16. I've discovered that those 4 sets of pins address these 2 motors. The other set of pins, I don't know what the numbers are, but I'm betting that they are something that's offered under make code write digital pin. You can see I'm using 13, 14, and 15 and 16. And we've got these other options. Somewhere in this group is going to be 2 pins that operate that 3rd set of wiring for yet another DC motor. And with this Mbed app, we can say, turn those motors on or off, forward or backward, in these 0, 1, and 1, 0. Now, in this Mbed app, I'm going to put a link to this code in the description of this video so you can download this app. This Mbed app, these letters correspond to the, turn that on, correspond to these arrows. There are more letters and numbers that correspond to the keys on the keyboard or these colors. So there's a lot of control option in the app, more so than what's available on the board. The point is that in order to turn on the motor, watch. When I touch a control and then let up, it stops moving. Wheel, one direction, When I let up, it stops. Other direction. When I let up, it stops. In order to get this to stop, we have to add digital write 0 on all the pins. When this 0 is sent by Bluetooth, that's the key to stopping the motion when you take your finger off the arrow. That's where you have to have that code in order to make that work. There will be more about all this as we discover how to make use of this gripper and this motor driver. We'll be able to add yet another motor, which means we can actually build a rover car with 2 wheels, 2 motors, and control it, moving forward, backward, left, and right, and control the gripper. But we have to learn which pin numbers we need to address. So there will be more.